horrifying sight. I was... Oh no, I need to sneeze. Yeah, there it is. Excuse me. I was staring face to face with a creature with a black hoodie.